Okay, we're removing the Sharp Carousel over-the-range microwave. I've already taken off the top grill. Cool. And I've already removed the bottom plate here. And I thought this would be a lot easier than it is. And I had watched a video of a guy trying to remove his old over-the-range microwave. It's just like, it's the damnedest thing. So, on an over-the-range microwave, on the back side, there's mounting brackets. Now, I have a new over-the-range GE microwave, 2014, 1907 microwave. So, the mounting bracket on this one, it's very odd because instead of the screws, instead of me screwing directly into the wall, I've seen these screws on the mounting bracket and they're coming reverse. Now, this home was built in 2001, and these cabinets are custom-made cut in. And they're custom-made cut in for the exact appliances that were already existing. Now, every range is a, I don't know, whatever inch range it is. I really don't know. I know dishwashers are all 24 inch. So we have a dishwasher that's built in. It's fine, you know, and it fits in perfectly. This microwave fits in perfectly, but it almost seems like this wall, one wall was built, then they installed this microwave, and then they built a wall behind it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and take off a couple extra screws to see if I can access anything. Now, I don't think that's a good idea, but I'm going to give it a whirl because I'm super confused. And I'm going to tell you why it's not a good idea. I got this super neat little Milwaukee drill from my future father-in-law, Thomas Cole. Papa Cole! There's some of the screws on here. There's one screw specifically that says, disconnect power before service. Yeah. Now, here we go. Let's see. Let's take these screws off. Won't do anything. I've also custom installed 2 yoga mats and 2 pillows on top of our new matching range because I'm doing this by myself. And if this thing falls, I'm super fucked. These 2 screws did a little bit here, and now I can wiggle this. Well, that's pretty neat. So I got 2 long screws here. Fuck. iPhone. So I got 2 long screws here. I screwed them out, I loosened them, and now I can get this range to wiggle a little bit. The problem is, I know there's a nut behind these screws because they're loose, but they're not coming out. So, let's try and get them out. This is crazy. Hey-o! Here we go. We got it. On the top portion of the cabinet here, there's a bored out hole for the power cord. So obviously I'm trying to pull that power cord out before I try and take this range out. Over the range, microwave. Man, Jesus, man, they really cut that tight. Alright, for forget it. We're going. There we go. All right. All right. These pillows and yoga mats on top of my new range really helped out the situation. I'm going to demonstrate my strength and prowess by lifting up this microwave. I should have taken everything out of it. Wow. What are you going to do? Alright. It's down. It's down. Oh, jeez. That was loud. Okay. Microwave's out. Neat. So kids, tell me what we learned from this experience. 1, teamwork. Teamwork is key. 2, if you don't have teamwork, holy shit. Oh man. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, here's something fun. So, if you're taking an overrange microwave out, please don't hit the burner fucking nozzle, and you have, or if you have yoga mats on it. As you can see, we have a perfectly burnt yoga mat here. It's a good thing my lovely wife Julia's yoga mat is blue, and it's her yoga mat. It smells like burnt rubber. Sorry, honey. I love you. Again, what's rule number 1? Teamwork. Rule number 2: don't drink Bully Hill wine when you're doing this. Okay. Mission accomplished. Yep. Mission accomplished. I want to thank a couple people here. Julia DeSormo, Julia Queter, thank you very much. Thomas Cole for the tool. Thank you, Thomas Cole. And last but not least, always number 1, Lord William Queter, Boats. Thank you. All right. Let's microwave some food.